Hello, creative people! Welcome to our channel. We're going to create an elegant and simple floral arrangement from start to finish. Let's start with the orchid shapes step by step. Draw a circle, now draw a smaller circle inside it. Orchids generally have 5 petals. Let's start drawing the side petals. For this, we'll make a kind of bow tie above the smaller circle. Now we'll make the top petal of the orchid, as if it were a cone. If you liked today's topic, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. To finish, let's draw the 2 bottom petals. We'll make 2 cones starting from the middle of the smaller circle. The part I find a little more complicated is the center. I'll repeat the small circle here and draw the flower's center inside it. Draw the letter U above the center of the circle. Right below, draw another slightly wider U. Let's join the edges of the U to the base of the circle, forming a calyx. On the U above the calyx, let's join the edges in a sinuous way, as if they were 2 parentheses. Wow, this step is so difficult to describe. If you have an easier way to describe this step, please put it in the comments. Orchid petals have small grooves, like lines, running from the tip of the petals to the base. On the petal that looks like a bow tie, the grooves are like veins. The leaves are large, oval, and with very pronounced grooves. The bud is oval and has a kind of calyx at its base that holds the bud. Now that we know the basic shapes, let's draw an arrangement. I start by deciding where I want the flowers. For this, I use circles to define the area for the flowers. After positioning the circles, we'll draw the other elements of the orchid flower. I teach the technique for this flower and other flowers in my book, Watercolor Flowers Without the Use of Sketches. The books are for sale on Amazon. Links to buy and download are in the video description. Take advantage. There's still 3 for Kindle Unlimited and Prime subscribers. We'll compose the arrangement by drawing the branch, buds, and leaves. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any other weekly videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. Until next time, and thank you for watching the video until the end.
Enjoy! They're still free for Prime and Kindle Unlimited subscribers.